Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on blocking people in COD Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. There doesn't seem to be a way of blocking people you meet in public matches. You can only blacklist your friends and people in chat rooms. Here is how to do it. To start, from the main dashboard of COD Mobile, tap the Friends icon at the top right of the screen. Select Friends from the left sidebar. Find the user you want to blacklist, and then tap the chat icon beside their name. Here in the Chat with that person, tap the 3-line settings button for that chat. You will then see the option to block that person. Tap that and then confirm your decision. That person will now be in your blacklist of players. You can also block people from the world chat. Just tap their profile icon and then select block. You can view a list of blacklisted players by going into your Friends menu and then selecting Friends. In your Friends list, tap Blacklist from the bottom left. You can see everyone you've blocked here and can easily unblock them if you want to. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more COD Mobile tips and tricks.